Mabuhay! This is Albay and this is my advocacy. In a society where beauty standards have been narrowed and exclusive, it's time to redefine the true meaning of being empowered. But how can we empower everybody? It starts with us. The moment we embrace ourselves, the way we welcome our flaws, it starts with us accepting who we are and embracing body positivity. Everybody is unique in our own ways, and everybody is worthy. Whether you are tall or short, if you are black or white, regardless of your color. We are enough, we are loved, and we are heard. Everybody is deserving of love and respect. Our body is capable of doing amazing things. We are resilient and we are stronger now. It doesn't matter how we look, but it's how we gain confidence. And that for me is power. We are more than just a physical appearance. We are resilient and beautifully made inside and out. Despite of all the pains and breakdowns, no matter how many rocks thrown to you, we remain kind, we remain better, and we remain loved and heard. Let's create a world where everybody is celebrated, not just tolerated. Join the movement now and embrace one another. Always remind yourself that the size of our hearts matter more than just our body. I am John Kenneth Plaza, Mr. Moreno, Philippines. Albay.